Hello, we'd like to tell you a bit about HealthSketch. In England, 40% of disease and disability is caused by behaviours and lifestyles. But in order to change their behaviour, patients first need the knowledge and understanding of how to maintain their own health. As doctors, we recognise how crucial it is to educate patients. Yet many patients simply don't engage with traditional sources of information. And we can see why. They're dry, overly complex, with blocks of text that are too dull and too difficult to read and understand. We created HealthSketch to see if we could make health information more engaging by using digital animation techniques and the opportunities of the web, social media, and mobile devices, empowering us to take control of our own health and lead healthier lives. By bringing together clinicians and animators who are passionate about making a difference in people's lives, we provide exceptional value for health organisations and charities looking to promote simple and effective health messages for patients, their family members, and the wider public, creating engaging health information fit for the 21st century. HealthSketch, health for all to see.